You're watching this because you've heard the term digital marketing more times than you can count. But here's the honest truth most beginners don't hear. Digital marketing isn't one thing. It's an entire system, and in 2025, that system has changed. Right now, people are jumping into random trends, affiliate links, YouTube shorts, automation tools, without truly understanding what makes digital marketing work. So if you want to make real money online, you need more than scattered hacks. You need to understand the structure that leads to consistent sales. Grab your notebook. Write this down. Marketing only works when it reaches the right person, with the right message, at the right time. Everything you'll learn today builds on that principle. Miss this, and all your efforts will feel like you're shouting into the wind. Now let's demystify this. Digital marketing in 2025 revolves around three critical areas: attention, trust, and conversion. Forget any advice that skips these. First, attention. You don't make money if no one knows you exist. But attention in 2025 is noisy. The average person scrolls past 100 posts before breakfast. That's why platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts dominate, but only if you use them correctly. If you're just starting, the fastest way to get attention is through short-form content that educates or solves a pain point. Don't just post to go viral. Think like a teacher. Think like a helper. That's how you stand out in a sea of memes and trends. Which brings us to the second piece: trust. Everyone online is skeptical now. In 2025, people don't just click because of hype. They click because they trust you. And trust is built through consistent, valuable content and clear messaging. Here's what most beginners miss. You don't need a huge audience to build trust. You need clarity. Your content must always answer three questions for your viewer. 1. What problem do you solve? 2. Why should they listen to you? 3. What's the next step? If your videos, posts, or emails don't answer those three, people scroll past, even if your design is perfect. So if you're writing down notes, here's another line to keep. Confused people don't buy. The clearer your offer and the more specific your value, the more people will trust and eventually buy from you. And now, the final piece: conversion. This is where beginners usually get discouraged. You've made content. You've built some trust. But no sales are coming in. Why? Because you're not leading people anywhere. In 2025, the best marketers aren't shouting offers. They're guiding attention toward a solution. Whether it's a product, a service, a tool, or a community, your job is to say, here's your next step. Clearly, gently, repeatedly. Here's a simple example. If you're teaching people how to start a side hustle, don't just say, check the link. Say something like, if you're serious about building consistent income online, I've broken down how I do it using AI tools in my book, ChatGPT Secrets for Steady Cashflow. It's the system I wish I had when I was starting. You'll find the link in the description below. This kind of offer is rooted in education, not desperation. It positions you as a guide, not a seller. And that's how conversion becomes a natural part of your system, not a pushy interruption. Now, if you're wondering where tools like ChatGPT fit in, stay with me. Because AI is quietly becoming the secret weapon for smart digital marketers, but only if you know how to use it. Before we go there, hit the like button if this is helping you understand digital marketing differently. That's how this channel reaches more people who are tired of the old confusing advice. Let's continue. Let's talk about AI, especially ChatGPT, and how it fits into digital marketing in 2025. It's not just a buzzword. AI has become the core tool that lets beginners compete. But here's the problem. Most people use it wrong. They ask for generic content instead of building a message that drives action. If you open ChatGPT and type, "Write me Instagram content," that's shallow. But if you ask, "Act as a digital marketer helping beginners sell digital products," create a 3-part Instagram carousel that educates, builds trust, and promotes my ebook at the end. Now you're building a system, not just content. That's exactly what I teach in my book, ChatGPT Secrets for Steady Cashflow. It's built for beginners who want to create emails, landing pages, and digital products using AI, with structure, not stress. You'll find the link in the description. https seller.com EB7474. But let's be clear, AI doesn't replace strategy, it speeds it up. So write this down. Even with AI, clarity of offer is king. Now, whether you're promoting a digital product or affiliate link, your digital marketing system has just 3 steps. 1. Grab attention with content that speaks to a pain or desire. 2. Build trust by simplifying or solving something. 3. Lead to one solution, not multiple, just one clear offer. That's the structure behind every creator making consistent sales. It's not magic, it's repeatable, and consistency matters more than reach. Most people quit in 30 days because they don't see results, but marketing compounds. Every piece of content, every email adds up. Audiences reward clarity, algorithms reward consistency, sales follow trust. If you're bouncing from platform to platform, you're resetting every time. Pick one, get better, build your system. And here's a quick guide. If you like video, start with YouTube Shorts, then grow. If you prefer text, go with Twitter, Slack, or email. If you're visual, focus on Instagram Reels or carousels. Your content is the surface, but your system, audience, trust, offer, conversion, is the engine. And if this is clicking, comment, "I'm building the system." It means you're not just watching, you're taking action. Let's close with the invisible reason many beginners fail, even when they're doing everything right. They're posting consistently, using AI, and building trust. But sales still feel random. That's usually because there's no bridge between content and conversion, no structure guiding people from interested to ready. Here's what to write down. Every attention touchpoint must lead to a relationship step, not just a sale. That step is often a lead magnet, a free offer like a checklist, guide, or video lesson that builds connection. It shifts someone from passive viewer to active subscriber. Here's a real example. A person sees your short-form video. You say, "Want the full guide? Grab the free checklist in my bio." They sign up. You follow up via email, giving more value, answering objections, showing results. Then you pitch the offer. This mini system builds trust on autopilot. And with tools like ChatGPT, you can create that entire funnel, landing page, emails, magnet, in hours. That's what I walk you through in ChatGPT Secrets for Steady Cashflow. If you want to skip the guesswork, grab it when you're ready. But no tool replaces time in the game. Most people quit right before the compound effect kicks in, right before they find their voice, right before their system clicks. The truth is, digital marketing in 2025 doesn't reward perfection. It rewards clarity and consistency. You don't need a viral video. You need the right 100 people to trust you. So here's a challenge. For the next 30 days, post something valuable every day. A short video, a helpful thread, a simple post that solves a problem. If you're stuck, let ChatGPT help you ideate and format. Just show up daily with purpose, and watch how things begin to shift. If you've made it this far, you're already in the top 5%. Not because you're lucky, but because you're still here, learning with intention. Now here's a cliffhanger. In the next video, I'll walk you through how faceless YouTube channels use this same marketing structure, without showing their face or speaking. The full back-end system. It's surprisingly simple. If you want that, comment, "Show me the system," and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. We're building something real here. See you in the next one.